I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey loves, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. As you guys can see right here, I'm showing you the cap construction. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and this is a 13x6 transparent lace wig. It is 180% density and it is 26 inches long. This is a curly unit, as you guys can see, and if you're interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you loves in the outro. Bye. Finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So this unit was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is the Nadula Curly Style 13x6 transparent lace wig, Remy human hair wig, 180% density, natural hairline. Okay, so I have this unit. I think I have it Brazilian, but it does come in Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, and Indian. I don't know if I specified what type of hair that I wanted, but those are the hair types that are available. And if I'm not mistaken, I do have this unit in 26 inches. Let me go back and look. Yes, I do have it in 26 inches, and I do have a transparent lace 13x6, and it's 180% density. And on their site, like, I remember them telling me that, you know, the wig that I initially wanted, I think it was 24 inches, was not available, so that they would have to send me 26 inches. But when I click on the link, I don't see that this particular wig is available in 26 inches. So I don't know if it's something different. I would suggest just clicking on the link down below in the description box, because that will take you to the exact wig that I'm wearing. But I am looking on the site, and I don't see it. So forgive me, honey, if I'm wrong. Like, don't judge me. Like, I'm trying, okay? But this wig is transparent lace, and I did feel like it was transparent lace. I'm gonna let you guys kind of just look at that. Like, honey, look at her, okay? Y'all know I can't zoom in, so don't judge me. But yeah, you can see it. Like, I feel like this is definitely transparent lace. It is definitely like giving me super like beach summer hair vibes. Like, honey, it's hot though, okay? But it's giving me that vibe, you know? And I put on like this little beachy little shirt. Yes, I got on a shirt, child. But I put on that because that was just the vibe that this hair was giving, okay? So yeah, and it does come with baby hairs, and I know you guys saw that at the beginning of the video. And this is how I styled them. Like, I wanted baby hairs, but I didn't want them to be like crazy baby hairs. But I was definitely feeling more of a baby hair vibe for sure. And yeah, like that is pretty much it as far as the details and stuff. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this wig does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. They did have the little comb, I mean like the band, but I didn't see where I could attach this band. So I don't know what that was about. But it did come with it, and maybe I just didn't look good enough. I don't know, but it did come with it. I didn't bleach the knots whatsoever. Like I said, it is transparent lace, and I did not apply any powder underneath the wig because I'm feeling like that's making my wigs darker. Like, I don't know. I maybe could have because it's transparent lace, but I wanted to see if it would blend without it, and to me, it did, and I do feel like it looks better without me putting it underneath it. But I did put my Sephora Micro Smooth on top, and yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Now, as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I would hit a few snags. It wasn't crazy, but this is a lot of hair. Like, as you guys can see, I said it's 26 inches, and I'm gonna stand up and really let you guys see. It is a lot of hair, okay? And I'm not the tallest person in the world, so it's really long on me. So I did expect to hit a few snags, but it was nothing crazy. The hair came curly and nice and soft and all that good stuff. And yeah, it wasn't like crazy tangly, but I do want you guys to know that I did get some tangles. As far as shedding, no, honey. Okay, nope, I'm lying. As far as shedding goes, when I was brushing the hair out to apply the products that I use, I did get some shedding, which is kind of common. So this is what I got from the whole wig, and I got this out of my brush, and it looks like it's some other hair mixed up, so it may not be all of that. But I did get some hair while I was detangling the wig, which is also expected. Yeah, that wasn't an issue for me either because it is a lot of hair, girl. Okay, you're gonna see it's a lot of hair. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much, I've said that's pretty much it a million times, and I go into something else. And as far as this wig being big head friendly, I do feel like this wig is big head friendly, and I do feel like it's small head friendly. I do now consider myself a small head, so I adjusted the straps, and it fits me good. And I cut the lace like around my ears, as you guys can see. So yeah, that is, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's that. And now we can do a quick length check, and then we can get into how I feel about this wig. So this is all of the hair brought to the front on me. Y'all keep in mind, I am 5'4". I am not the tallest girl in the world. So this is where 26 curly hair comes on me. And this is where it comes to me in the back. Okay, y'all, so that's that. If you are interested in how I feel about this wig and the products and stuff that I use, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, like, I don't think it's no secret, I am a fan of deep wave, deep curly, whatever type of hair. Like, that is just like one of my favorite textures because I feel like it is easy, and in the summer it just gives you that you know, good type of curly hair. It's summer, I'm getting out of the pool vibes. I think Kristen said that, and honey, yes, that is like the vibes that I'm getting. I love it. Y'all know every summer it's like I get a whole bunch of deep curly, deep wave hair, and I'll be like, oh my god, I know y'all are tired of it, but I'm giving you options, honey. Okay, I'm giving you options from different companies, different prices. So yeah, don't judge me, okay? I can't say no to a deep curly wig. Granted, it is a lot of hair, and typically I am just not a fan of a lot of hair, but I will say this, when I wear a lot of hair, I feel skinny. I feel skinny skinny when I wear a lot of hair. I don't know what it is about a lot of hair that makes me feel like I'm skinny. I guess it's just so much on my head, like that I feel like it makes my body look smaller. I don't know, honey. Okay, so I do like that. Okay, and I have like, my cousin is getting ready to go to Kuwait. Shout out to you, Mel. And she's having like this little quaint, like going away type vibe at the pool. And I feel like this hair is just gonna give me life. Now, honey, I might be melting. I might be melting by the end of the day, but she gonna be cute melting, okay? Okay, I ain't getting nobody's food anyway. Okay, but anyways, yeah, so I'm feeling it. I think it is definitely a look. I would definitely recommend you guys checking it out. Now, the products that I use are the same products that I've been using on all of my deep wave and curly units, and I did get this method from also That's Mercedes. I love her name. And I used my pink water bottle, which is now mixed with water and conditioner, and I used, where is it? My Cantu Define and Shine Custard, and I used my Eco Styling Gel. And I ain't gonna pick that up because it's heavy, child, but I used my Eco Styling Gel, and that's just like the method that she used, and that is the method that I use, honey, because she used it and her hair is bomb. Okay, and as far as my baby hairs, I did I used Slayed by Jordan's method for that, and I tied that little band that comes with a lot of our wigs, that elastic band. I tied that on it after spraying some hairspray on it. I tied it down, but I twisted up the parts that I wanted to be baby hairs, and then I used my Lot of Body Mousse to shape them, and then I sprayed it with my Gots to Be Glued hairspray. Now that part he doesn't do because he says it makes the baby hairs look hard, and it does. So you don't have to do that. You can skip that step if you don't want your baby hairs to look hard. But honey, I need my baby hairs to stay, and they don't stay unless I do a little something extra. So that's what I did. And you know, everything else is basically the same stuff that I always do. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a vibe. It's a look. If you're looking for a nice deep wave, deep curly unit, honey, this is your girl. Like, this is giving me, like I said, pool vibes, honey. I am feeling it. And maybe it'll make me look skinny in that bikini. Not bikini, honey. Maybe it'll make me look skinny in that bathing suit, because your girl's not wearing nobody's bikini. I'm just not. But yeah, that is pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. I hope you guys can see. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, as I stated, I'm feeling it. It's a look. It's a vibe to me. Let me know if it's a vibe to you. If you're feeling it the same way that I am, let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Helton Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.